of this heading, we're going to go ahead and have a list of foods that we're going to be recommending to the user. So we have the list already. So what we need to do, we just need to go ahead and create the component to render the flat list. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. First, we need to go ahead and create a component inside our components folder. So here, our component name is going to be new foods list. Okay, that's going to be our component. It has to be a JSX file. Let's go ahead and just create the component, and then we can handle everything. So after creating the component, we need a flat list inside, so we can use the same as the one that we use for nearby. So we can just copy this, and then we can paste it in here. So we need to import the flat list like that, and we need the food. Okay, but first we need to import our data. So we need to get our data, and we need to get the foods. And let's get rid of this component that we are rendering. We need to render something different. So we're going to be rendering a food component. So we need to create a food component in here. And we're going to use a different approach to render our component. So instead of rendering it like this, what we're going to do, we're going to have another component inside with the name render item. Okay, so we need to create this render item right on top. That's inside here. So our render item is going to take in an item, and then we're going to display our prop inside. Okay, so here, let's just have a view for starters like that. So in our home, right underneath, we're going to have our new foods list. It's supposed to be new foods list, and let's close it. It's supposed to be a closed component like that.